Have you ever heard, or maybe heard yourself say, it's too expensive to file a patent? Hey, everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner and founder and patent attorney at Bold Patents Law Firm. I'm here to hopefully help unravel this myth, this falsity. And the truth is, while it may be expensive, both in time and money, whether you do it yourself or hire an attorney, the bigger, huge lurking cost is regret. Regret. Wishing you would have taken action, hoping you would have filed that patent application when it was time, when you first invented. I've heard this story a lot of times, no joke. So many inventors I speak with have said, oh yeah, years ago, I had that idea, that was mine. And there it is, right there on the shelves, or it's for sale online. And they said, no, I was the one, I thought of that way back, and I just didn't have the time, didn't have enough money. Well, you probably did. And you just didn't want to take that risk. Let me tell you that there's a lot of entrepreneurs and founders that took those risks, even small investments, not costs, in their future, so they don't have to stare regret in the face. Let me give you a couple examples. First, James Dyson, the inventor of the Dyson vacuum. He didn't start with a ton of money. He spent years, thousands of prototypes with his bagless vacuum. And he invested, even though he almost went bankrupt, kept filing patents along the way, slowly building his fence and his giant portfolio that he sits on today. You probably know the founder of Spanx, Sara. She had just $5,000 in savings. One of the very first things she did was file a patent on her footless pantyhose idea. As you know now, she's $1 billion brand. These two founders are not too unlike you. Maybe you're at this point where you're like, gosh, do I make the jump? Or is it too expensive? So weigh the cost now, the investment now versus what might be the regret, the opportunity cost lost by not taking action now. So take that first step. Book a free discovery call at boldpatents.com. Check our website out. Look at the information there. Get informed and take action. Wishing you guys an awesome day today. Go big, go bold.